my care plan. Wash my hands. Hey, Mr. Jones, I'm Miss Rice, and I'm going to be your aide today. I'm going to put your stocking on, okay? Can you confirm your name and your date of birth? Okay, make sure the bed to its lowest position. Make sure it's locked. Alrighty, let me just move this call bell right here so it'll be out of the way. You doing okay? Okay, good. Alright, we're going to put this stocking on like we did on yesterday. Help with your circulation. Turn it halfway inside out. Put this over your heel. Gonna pull this up and I'm gonna make sure it's straight, and I'm gonna get all these wrinkles out. Okay, make sure it's on your heel straight. Make sure all the wrinkles are out and pull this over your toe. All right, we're all done. Make sure this bed is still locked and to the lowest position so you don't fall. And I'm gonna put this call bell in your hand, okay? You need anything before I leave? All right, I'll be back in 2 hours to check on you, okay? Go ahead and push your curtain back and wash my hands. I'm done with this gear.